Ever wondered how to make the perfect pasta carbonara with bacon and mushroom at home? Well, the secret lies in using the freshest ingredients, the right techniques, and a sprinkle of love. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine to explore the art of creating this timeless dish. Imagine the perfect pasta carbonara. It's creamy, it's rich, and it's packed with the flavors of smoky bacon and earthy mushrooms. Now imagine achieving that perfection in your own kitchen. It's entirely possible, and it's easier than you might think. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need a pound of spaghetti, 4 fresh eggs, 8 slices of thick-cut bacon, 2 cups of cremini mushrooms, 2 cloves of garlic, a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a generous pinch of salt and black pepper. Step 2. Cook your pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and add your spaghetti. Cook until it's al dente, or firm to the bite. Drain the pasta, reserving a cup of the pasta water for later. Step 3. While the pasta is cooking, prepare your bacon and mushrooms. Slice the bacon into bits and sauté in a large skillet over medium heat until it's crispy. Remove the bacon from the skillet and set it aside, leaving the rendered fat in the pan. Now add the sliced mushrooms and minced garlic to the skillet and sauté until the mushrooms are golden brown. Step 4. Create your creamy carbonara sauce. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs and Parmesan cheese. Slowly add in the reserved pasta water, whisking continuously to avoid scrambling the eggs. The heat from the pasta water will gently cook the eggs, creating a silky, creamy sauce. Step 5. Bring it all together. Return the cooked pasta to the skillet with the mushrooms, add the crispy bacon, and pour over your carbonara sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is evenly coated in the sauce. Season with a generous pinch of black pepper, and your pasta carbonara is ready to serve. So to summarize, the perfect pasta carbonara with bacon and mushroom involves cooking your pasta al dente, sautéing bacon and mushrooms in a skillet, creating a creamy sauce with eggs, Parmesan, and pasta water, and then combining everything together for a truly delicious meal. Remember, the key to a great pasta carbonara is in the details. The freshness of your ingredients, the texture of your pasta, and the balance of flavors in your sauce. Master these elements, and you'll have a dish that's sure to impress, straight from your own kitchen.